Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Incogni for data broker opt-out automation step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Incogni website. Look for the sign up button, typically located in the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the subscription process. You will be prompted to choose a subscription plan that suits your needs. Review the options carefully and select the plan you prefer. Once you've made your selection, click on the Continue or Next button. You will be asked to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Ensure your password meets the specified requirements for security. After entering your details, click the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a verification link from Incogni. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Incogni website and log in using your credentials. You may be prompted to provide additional personal information for data broker opt-out automation. Fill in the necessary fields with accurate information. Read through the terms and conditions, and agree to them if you find them acceptable. Once all fields are completed, click on the Submit or Continue button. Incogni will start the process of automating the data broker opt-out for you. You may receive updates via email regarding your request status. Monitor your email for confirmation when your data has been successfully opted out. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section on the Incogni website for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.